What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another live react. So, Chronicler best friend slash producer Bashy recently spoke about the negligence of the Bustamante Children Hospital, which led to the loss of his 4-year-old daughter. Check this out. Jaja.
Wicked. So me know me can't get back my daughter alive, but the word need to be out. The doctor them young children don't care. They neglect your kids. They're wicked down there. When I go down there, then they put a phone and not even pay attention to your kid. Them wicked down there, so.
In the ICU on
In
video call.
wicked people, them, bro. Them not a heart down there, so, bro. Oh, you feel know say somebody, but the thing mash me up mentally, fam. I'll be honest. Mash me up mentally, break me. No, some of that when the man cut my daughter yesterday, open to do the autopsy, the man said my daughter liver start decay. If my daughter did dead the 31st or the first, how the hell she start decay already? She starts swell her hand and her foot them as swell. Them people are down there so wicked. And them things I need for out. We not keep it.
Blood that come out her ears.
Blood that come out of my daughter ears that alone shows that she gone, she start drain. Shows that she gone long time. And then people are telling us pray. Me I pray, me I do everything. Things I would have see about my daughter. I just spend a Christmas with my baby. I'm just here for New Year's Day, the 1st of January, so my picnic. And the people know say the baby dead for a long time. But Father God not sleep. And them left from work and go home to feed them picnic.
So you said that the pathologist is saying to you that her liver starts to decay. So it's a clear indication.
Yes. Yesterday when we go do the independent autopsy, because they didn't want us, they say it's no, we don't need to do no autopsy up at the children. So there's no need because of the brain dead. So I said, no, I tell them, say, hey, listen, we go around this, so I make them know so we're going to do one autopsy. I have money to spend. So we're not in with them in. So we take the baby, them not even did know. Like to the mercy of God, them release all the baby and not even realize that them release the baby. Because them tell me say, we can't get the baby body till 2 weeks time. By them run, go check them, realize that them give the body and not even did know. The lady come out, hold up her hand and say, this is out of her hand now. Because them say the baby gone. If me never got do the autopsy report upon my child, I would know say my picnic dead long time. That's all I live as spoil. Me God love the place a kiss up corpse. Dead body me dead a kiss. And the people know say my picnic dead.
Wow.
Me can't put on my baby and not make this out. This have out. They're wicked. And go home to feed them picnic at night time and take my picnic from me.
Wow.